Hello guys, today we are watching video about POS restrict cashier. So first of all need to install app from app sections. So POS restrict. Here you can see the POS restrict cashier module. This is the all details and index file of these modules. First of all, I can explain what is the use of this module. This module is allowed to change only selected cashier into the POS session. So we will check how it works. So first of all, go to the point of sale and start the session. Here you can see the cashier's name and click on this. Here the list of cashiers. If you can add cashiers, then go for the configuration. So click on configuration, point of sale, and here you can see the cashier and set the allow cashiers. If you can remove from here, then by default administrator user is allowed into the cashier. Here you can see no list of these cashiers. If you want to the more cashiers, then click on configuration and add here allow cashier tab into the cashiers mark demo and mutual admin and save it. Go to the sessions and here you can see the list of cashiers. If you want to change this, then select here. If you want to change here, then check. Here create order with mutual admin cashier and payment for this module order and check the sales person into the order is mutual admin. If you can create with cashier of mark demo, then order with one product and pay for this and go to the orders and check the salesperson of this order is mark demo. So this is the all functionality of our module. If you can also notify about our new videos, then subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.